Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of JISH Learn English Podcast. I am Shaelyn. Today, we are doing A1 English listening practice. While listening, try to match my rhythm and speak along with me. It will improve your speaking too. Let's begin. Today, we are going to talk about a very special topic. We are going to talk about language learning. You are here right now because you are learning English. You are listening to my voice. You are trying to understand my words. This is a very good first step. Learning a new language is like opening a new door. Imagine a big house. Right now, you are opening the door to the English room. When you open the door, you see new things. You hear new sounds. It is exciting, but sometimes it can be a little scary. That is normal. Let's think about how we learn. How do we start? Think about a small baby. How does a baby learn to speak? Does the baby read a book? No. Does the baby write sentences? No. The baby listens. The baby listens to its parents all day long. This is the best way for you to learn too. You must listen to English every day. You are doing it right now. This is perfect. When you listen, do not worry about every word. Maybe you understand only one or two words. That is fine. Just listen to the music of the language. English has a rhythm. It goes up and down. It is like a song. Listen to the melody. Let the sounds go into your ears and into your brain. After you listen, what comes next? Next is speaking. This is the hard part for many people. Many students are shy. They are afraid to speak. They think, what if I make a mistake? I want to tell you a secret. Everyone makes mistakes. Even I make mistakes. Mistakes are not bad. They are good. When you make a mistake, you learn. Think about the baby again. When a baby starts to walk, does it walk perfectly? No, it falls down. But it stands up and tries again. It never stops. You must be like the baby. You will say the wrong word. It is okay. Please do not stop. Speak to yourself in your room. Speak to your pet. Just move your mouth. Get your mouth used to the shapes of English. There is a very good exercise for speaking. It is called shadowing. You are doing it now. I speak and you speak with me. Or I speak and then you repeat after me. Let's try it. I will say a sentence. You say it after me. I am learning English. I am doing a great job. It is easy. Very good. This is shadowing. It helps you speak faster. Do this every day with this podcast. Now, let's talk about words. We call words vocabulary. Words are the bricks of the language. You want to build a house. You need many bricks. How do you learn new words? Do not try to learn 100 words in one day. That is too much. It is better to go slowly. Learn 5 words a day. Just 5. Look around you. What do you see? A table? A chair? A phone? Say the English names for these things. Stick a piece of paper on your mirror with the word mirror. Every morning, see the word and say it. Connect the words to pictures in your mind. Do not just translate. Think of the image. For example, take the word apple. Do not think of the word in your language. Think of the red fruit. Think of the sweet taste. Connect apple to the red fruit. This helps your brain remember better. Let's move to another part of learning, reading. Reading is very helpful, but you must choose the right books. Do not read newspapers yet. They are too hard. You might feel sad if you do not understand. Start with simple stories. Read books for children. Children's books are great because they have pictures. The pictures help you understand. The sentences are short. Read slowly. If you see a word you do not know, stop. Look at the picture. Can you guess the meaning? Try to guess before you use a dictionary. This is good exercise. Now let's talk about time. How much time do you need? Many people say, I have no time. I am busy with work and family. I understand, we are all busy, but you do not need hours. You do not need 4 hours on Sunday. It is better to study for 10 minutes every day. Consistency is key. Consistency means doing something again and again. Think of drops of water. One drop is small, but many drops can fill a bucket. 10 minutes every day is powerful. Listen to a podcast while you cook. Review words on the bus. Speak English while you clean. Make it a habit, like brushing your teeth. You do not forget to brush your teeth. Make English the same. Let's talk about feelings. How do you feel about English? Do you feel stressed or do you feel happy? If you are stressed, your brain closes. It is hard to learn when you are unhappy. You must try to enjoy it. Make English fun. Do you like music? Sing English songs. Do you like movies? Watch a funny movie in English. Do you like sports? Watch football with English commentary. When you have fun, you learn faster. You forget that you are studying. So connect English to what you love. Another important thing is patience. Patience means waiting without getting angry. Learning a language is a long road. It's a marathon, not a sprint. A sprint is short, a marathon is long. You will not be perfect tomorrow. It takes months and years. But do not be sad. Enjoy the journey. Celebrate your small wins. Did you learn a new word today? Be happy. Did you understand a sentence today? Be proud. Be kind to yourself. Sometimes you will feel stuck. This is called a plateau. It is normal. When this happens, do not quit. Just keep going. Soon you will start to learn fast again. Let's review the 4 skills: listening, speaking, reading. What about writing? Writing is good because it gives you time to think. When you speak, you must be fast. When you write, you can be slow. Try to write a diary. Buy a small notebook. Every night, write 3 sentences. Today I went to work. I ate a sandwich. I am tired. Simple sentences. Just write about your day. After 1 month, look at your first page. You will see your progress. Also, try to find a partner. A partner is a friend who learns with you. You can help each other. If you don't have a friend who speaks English, that is okay. You have me. You have this podcast. You are not alone. I want to talk a little more about the brain. Your brain is amazing. It is very strong. When you learn a new language, your brain changes. It gets bigger and stronger. It is like a muscle. When you go to the gym, you lift heavy things to make your muscles strong. When you learn English, you make your brain strong. This is good for your health. So even when it is difficult, remember, you are doing something good for your body and your future. Let's imagine your future. Imagine 1 year from now. You are speaking English easily. You can travel. You can make friends from all over the world. You can get a better job. English is a tool. It helps you build a better life. Keep this picture in your mind. When you feel tired, think about your future. Ask yourself, why did I start? Did you start for work? Did you start for travel? Keep your reason close to your heart. It will give you energy. We are almost at the end of our talk today. Let's look back at what we learned. We learned to listen like a baby. We learned to move our mouths and not fear mistakes. We learned that reading simple stories helps us. We learned that writing simple sentences helps us think. And we learned that consistency, a little bit every day, is the secret. Do not compare yourself to others. Do not say, oh, his English is better. Everyone has a different path. Some people learn fast, some learn slowly. Fast is not better. Slow is not bad. The only bad thing is stopping. If you stop, you can't finish. If you keep walking, you will reach your goal. You are doing a wonderful thing. You are brave. It takes courage to learn something new. I am very proud of you. Every time you press play on this podcast, you are winning. Remember to rest, too. Sleep is important. When you sleep, your brain saves the new words. So study hard, but also sleep well. I hope you feel motivated today. English is a beautiful language. It is fun to speak. Enjoy it. So, my friends, that is our lesson for today. We talked about how to learn. Remember, language is a bridge. It connects you to the world. Build your bridge one stone at a time. Be patient with yourself. Be happy with your progress. You are getting better every single day. Trust the process. Trust yourself. I will see you all in the next episode. Until then, keep learning, keep practicing, and most importantly, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.